Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a knitted cast on. So we'll need our knitting needles and we'll need some yarn. So we'll start by making a slip knot, and to make a slip knot, wrap the yarn around your fingers like that. And then you have a loop, and then pull the yarn through that loop and you have a slip knot, and then tighten it a little bit and then insert your needle and tighten it some more and make sure it's not very snug on your knitting needle. And then we'll make our first stitch. So you're going to insert your needle front to back like that, yarn over, and then you scoop out your yarn, and then you're going to put it on the left hand needle front to back. Then pull the working yarn and tighten, always making sure that it's not very tight. So front to back, yarn over, then on the left hand side needle, front to back, yarn over. This is a very good cast on method because if you're a beginner, you're essentially learning how to knit and cast on at the same time. So keep going and just make sure your stitches can move. You can move them like this. And you will keep going until you have the number of stitches that the pattern you're working on is asking for. So keep going. And so you keep going until you have the number of stitches that your pattern calls for. Just make sure you can move them around. And there you have it. That is how you do a knitted cast on. Thank you for watching and happy knitting.